data validation. Let's say you have this data, and then you want to create a list on Excel. This is how you're going to do it. Let's go to data validation. Oh, hang on a second. Let's copy this list first. And I'm going to place here somewhere. Let's go to the cells. So highlight that. Let's go to data validation. So now you have like many different options. You can create list, the source. Include all of that. And then, okay, now if you click here, boom, the country list was right here. Okay, but it's not alphabetical order, so this is how you're going to change it. So go to your original data, just sort it out. Then you should be good. Okay, and yeah, and then look at this. That should be good, like alphabetical order. See. Okay, that's the one example of data validation. Another thing is, let's say, let's start text length. Text length is, let's say, minimum 5, maximum maybe 8. Okay, and then now if you try to add any text other than like more than 8, boom, so you will see this message. Or less than 5, same. So that's an example. And then also you can put an input message. Hi, please put between 5 to 8. Okay, and then if you do that, so you will see this message on the text. Oh, another thing is you can put error alert. So you can choose your sign style here. Let's say put this. Hi. As to this one. And then if you put, let's say, any text, boom, you're gonna put this message. Okay, now let's try another one. Let's say if you wanna, let's put date, for example, 1997 between 2005. So you can put her message, put 1997, 2005. So you can put title as well. And okay, now let's say 2011. Okay, the message appears like this. Or the whole row also same. Oh, so it looks like I didn't highlight. Anyway. Okay, yeah, that's the one thing. Another thing is, let's try timing. Let's highlight all of that. Or maybe you can do the whole column. Let's clear them all, and let's say you want to put time. So I'm gonna put 2 a.m. between like 10 a.m. something like that. Now, if we put like 6 p.m. here, yeah, something like that. So there's an example. And also, if you put here like 10 p.m., it doesn't work. So if you highlight the whole arrow, so it will prevent you to input or add any wrong data in the cell. Yeah, so you can choose all of the start small, whole number, like time, custom, all of this. So yeah, that's data validation. All the best.